Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep in 2025. First of all, you would like to go and open any browser that you have. For me here, as you can see, I'm using Brave, but for you can use whatever you want. So you can go to any browser and go to the URL section and just go and type keep.google.com. If you're using your mobile by any chance, make sure to use the Google Keep application. It should be pre-installed on Android and it should be available on iOS as well. If you don't have it by any chance, you can go and download this from any store. Now, as an example, how can we use it? You can start by creating an example note. You can tap on this option, which is take a note. And basically, you can first of all set a title for that. So I'm just going to add here a test. And then you'll be able to add a note. Of course, for the mobile, you should find this in the top bar on the bottom, and as you can see on the desktop, you can find this at the top. So here in the notes, you can type everything or anything like ideas, to do, maybe reminders, and etc. You can also add, as we said here, a title. You can add like some checklists or color for organization and a lot of other things. So, an example, maybe here, maybe do this thing or that or something like that. So in here, example, I can just go and click on close, and as you can see, I have a note here. Of course, I can always pin it if I have a lot of notes or a lot of things that I added, and I'll be able to see it at the top always. Now you can also add some extra. Example, you can go and add, like in this one here, you can add some images. You can click on the option, and as you can see, you have this add image option where you'll be able to add an image to your note. You can also add some voice notes if you want to. But the voice note is only available for the mobile version. It's not available for everybody. It's available. It's not available, of course, for desktop. It's just for the mobile. You can also add, an example, some checkbox. It is great for to-do lists. You can just click on the three dots right here, and you'll be able to click on show checkbox. And every line that you add, it will add a checklist or checkbox with it. Of course, you can also add some colors and labels. You can add colors or tags to organize notes as well if you want to. So first of all, let me just go and hide the checkbox, and in here example, you can just go and hover that and change like a picture or the colors. You can see you can even add the theme or like something like that on the notes. You can try to add some formatting options, as you can see. So let me just go and close that. Other than that, as you can see, you can add the remind me option. You can add a collaborator, archive as an example, and some things like also add a label, add drawing, make a copy, and grab some image text, copy to Google Docs, and you can even view history of the edits of anything that you add. So as we said before, you can pin it or archive it however you want. You'll be able to synchronize it across all the devices automatically on Google Keep. If you are in the same Google account, you'll find the same thing here on all the devices if you're logged into the same account. And of course, as we said before, you can share it to other people or collaborate with other people if you want to, and you should be good to go. That's basically how you use Google Keep. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.